Hello, superheroes. I have gotten some requests to record my children's book, one of my children's books, The Superpower of Your Heart. Now, as a reminder, this is a book that also has superhero training. There's a guide for supporting adults, which is essential for this, but I also wanted to give the opportunity to be able to read this. So I'm excited to share with you, and this is The Superpower of Your Heart. As a reminder, whenever you see this symbol in your book, make sure to go to my website for additional resources. Did you know that you have a hidden superpower? Actually, you have many, but there is one that is very special and powerful. It gives you the power to take control of any situation in any moment. Take your right hand and place it over your heart. Breathe in and breathe out. What do you feel? Beats, pauses, patterns, strength? Can you feel your own unique rhythm? If you become still enough, your heart shares special messages with you every moment. Your heart waits for you patiently so that you can follow its messages to make great superhero choices. Following your heart's messages is your superpower. Are you ready to learn your hidden superpower? Are you sure? Once you know your superpower gets stronger and stronger, are you really, really, really sure? Okay, here we go. As a superhero, you must know the secret code words. Bring your right hand in front of you and give yourself a thumbs up and say, health. Repeat after me. Add your pointer finger and say, environment. Add your third finger and say, affirmation. Add your fourth finger and say, response. And add your pinky and say, transform. Now there is a rhythm here I'm going to teach you to remind yourself of those words because they are kind of big, and you learn about this in the teacher superhero training. So it goes health, environment, affirmation, response, transform. I'm going to do it one more time. Ready? Health, environment, affirmation, response, transform. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so let's chant the special secret code words using your hand 3 more times. So now you know that rhythm. And as a reminder, here's that symbol if you need to go back for it as well. Ready? Loud voice. Health, environment, affirmation, response, transform. Silly voice. Health, environment, affirmation, response, transform. Whisper voice. Health, environment, affirmation, response, transform. Superhero challenge. Can you say them with your eyes closed? If that feels safe and comfortable for you, can you do it? Ready? Health, environment, affirmation, response, transform. Go ahead and open your eyes if they were closed and just notice how you did. On this page, if this is for families, you can go ahead and add your hand and trace your hand. Teachers or anyone else who needs printouts, guess what? The printables are online. It says trace your hand below and write the code words on each finger so we can really remember what those words are. What do those big words mean? Now, you'll notice here, we're going to go through and do the similar motions. So this one is health, is how you feel. Go ahead and repeat that after me. Ready? Health is how you feel. Next one. Environment is what's around you. I'm going to do that again. Environment is what's around you. Next one. Affirmation. Affirmation is a mindset I am statement. Again, ready? Affirmation is a mindset I am statement. Response. Now you'll notice here we're taking action with running. Ready? It says response is taking action. Your turn. Ready? Response is taking action. The last one. Transform. We can see the transformation. It goes like this. Transform is how you changed. Ready? Transform is how you change. Now, if you know me in my other children's book, I love butterflies. So this is the butterfly, and transform is how you change. Look back at the code words. Do you notice something? Even the magnifying glass is giving a clue, but let's look back here. Use your superpower vision. Do you see it? There's a hidden clue to help you remember the code words. Last try. Maybe you notice anything different. Ready? The words spell heart. With each heart code word, there is a top secret question. The questions help you to know the hidden messages your heart shares with you. And knowing the messages help you to stay in control of any situation to make a superhero choice. As a reminder for those who are using the superhero training, these lessons are broken down within the book, so I just wanted to mention this here. Ready? Health. So the question that we ask for this is, how are my body, breath, emotions, and thoughts in this moment? So if we have to make a decision, we want to check first with health. How are my body, breath, emotions, and thoughts? Then we ask E, environment. Do I need to make a change in my environment? And you learn about the strategy POPs in the guide, and that's people, objects, place, self, if there's anything you can change. Affirmation. What affirmation can I say to support me? And you learn in that guide what an affirmation is and how it connects to the inner language in your mind. Response. How do I choose to respond in this moment? What are my options and how do I choose to take action? All this is great, but if I don't take action, it doesn't matter. And then transform. How did I or my experience transform based on my heart? Because I checked in with my heart and followed my heart, how did that shift? Now it's time for you to use your superpower to follow your heart's messages. So this, you use side by side. We learned what those words and the questions are, and they're right next here to help. And then this outlines our steps. Ready? So let's try. So you're gonna think of like a choice that you're needing to make. And maybe the choice right now is to choose to listen to this video, or maybe there's something else that's in your life that's happening. So check in with your heart. Step 1, place your hand on your heart. Step 2, breathe in and breathe out. Step 3, say each code word and ask its special question. So you got to think about the choice you're making, and now we have to ask those questions. So H, remember that's health. And health, how are my body, breath, emotions, and thoughts? We're going to go with listening to this video right now. How does it feel? Are your thoughts distracted? Are they present? How are your emotions? Do they feel excited? Do you feel bored? How is your breath? Does the breath feel like it's in the body? Is it in the nose, in your belly? Is it hot or cool or anything else with your body? Does your body feel hot or cold or tingly or anything? And just notice. Environment. Do you need to make a change in your environment to listen to this video? Are you distracted? Is there something you could change on your desk or learning area or at home to help you listen? Affirmation. What is the affirmation to say to support you? So what affirmation can you say to support you right now? Is this something that I am focused? I am inspired. I am a superhero. Those are connected to what we're doing of listening to our story. Response. How do I choose to respond in this moment? So now if you're currently distracted or not quite listening, make that choice. Take action and shift how you're showing up right now. Transform. How did I or my experience transform based on my heart? So make sure you took action. So step 5, choose your action. And step 6, breathe in and breathe out. Reminder, here's another symbol for more resources. Wait! Do not turn this page yet. Follow any messages that your heart shared with you. Take charge of your superpower, take action. So for example, if you still didn't take any action yet for being able to focus for our video, for our time, take action. I'm gonna turn the page. Okay. Great work, superhero! How did you or your experience transform because you followed your heart? Did you make a different choice? Did you keep going? Did it help someone? The more you practice, the stronger your power becomes. Log how many times you use your superpower this week. Again, here's our magic symbol. You can either write in the story or there's a downloadable resource that you can download as many times. Grow your superpower. So let's celebrate the superpower of your heart. So there's also a recording of this, but we're gonna do it again here. So repeat after me. My heart is strong. My heart is strong. My heart is powerful. My heart is powerful. I am strong. I am strong. I am powerful. I am powerful. My heart guides me. My heart guides me. I listen and follow. I listen and follow. Everyone, no matter the day, no matter the time, my power is ready and I will be just fine. It's a great way to celebrate when you're making those great choices. And teachers and parents, that's a wonderful one to do every time there's a celebration here too. Be the superhero within your heart. Draw yourself as a superhero. Add the special code words and write when you can use your superpower today. Another superhero challenge. In your drawing, add your sidekicks, which are the most important people who can help you to follow your heart. So this is your action plan. Now that you've learned the strategy, when can you use it and who can help you? And that concludes our story here. And know that the butterfly within me sees, honors, and values the butterfly within you. I hope you enjoyed the story. And again, if you are a teacher, a parent, or anybody who is supporting children, please make sure that you download the teacher's guide. You can get that on my website at www.thebutterflywithin.me/superpower. I can't wait to hear and see all of these wonderful choices that you're making. Our world needs you, all of you, and our power together. So thank you again for being a heart-centered change maker through the superpower of your heart. Thank you.